Let's talk about the powerful capabilities of the database so you can see why we use it. Our database synchronizes data so that every time data changes, all connected devices receive that change within milliseconds. A message sent by one person in friendly chat quickly shows up in their Friends app, and this makes for a seamless user experience and simplifies the code for you. Firebase apps also remain responsive even when the user is offline, because the database can cache your data in the app using only a few lines of code. That means if a client makes a change to the data, that change is stored locally, so the app continues to working even while the device is offline. When the user reconnects to the network, the app will automatically synchronize with the Firebase servers. So similarly, any data that has already been shown in the app will still be there, so the user won't suddenly open to an empty screen, and none of us likes that. The database aligns perfectly to apps that use chat functionality, like Friendly Chat, but there are so many other use cases for the database. The database could be, for example, used for mapping applications. So the Map Swipe app uses the database to store and update information about locations that need to be mapped so that humanitarian organizations could find people in need during a crisis. The database also works with travel data. Skyscanner is a travel search site that uses Firebase to store data about flights, hotels, and car rentals. And since this kind of info is almost always changing, the Realtime database provides a way to keep all of it up to date. An Instacart is a shopping service where you select groceries to be delivered to your door in as little as an hour. It uses the database to show what food is available to order right now and keep track of what's in your order. All of this is just to say these apps are multi-user, collaborative, and real-time, and the Firebase Real-Time database meets these requirements nicely. In order to understand how the database could serve so many different purposes, let's now talk about the structure of the database.